Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel techdev98. So today in this video I'll show you how you can bypass paywalls. So for example, if I want to access this article by statista.com, and here it says it is an exclusive premium statistic. So today I've got a Chrome extension which can bypass this paywall. So let's get started and let me just go to manage extensions. So for any Chrome based browser, so be it Chrome, be it Brave, or be it Firefox, you just need to enable developer mode, and you just need to click on load and packed. And here I'll be providing the link in the description for the download of the extension, and you just need to click on select folder. And now as you can see, or you can bypass the paywalls for all these websites including statista.com. And as you can see, there are tons and tons of website. And now all you need to do is click on save. So now the extension is loaded. Now let's go back and just refresh the page, and boom, here is our statistic which we have accessed. And now I can access all the statistics for free by bypassing the paywall. So for example, it's a premium statistic. Let me just click on it, and as you can see, I can access it. So this is really helpful for students, and all the other news I have websites also there. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel techdev98. Thank you, and I hope you found this video helpful.